Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer earnings from Amazon Associates to your checking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your earnings from Amazon Associates to your checking account, start by logging into your Amazon Associates account. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section in the top menu. Click on the Earnings tab to view your current earnings. Make sure your earnings are above the minimum payout threshold set by Amazon. Next, go to the Settings menu and select the Payment Information option. Here, you can choose your preferred payment method. If you haven't set up a bank transfer before, select the Direct Deposit option. Enter your bank account details carefully, including your account number and routing number. Double-check that all information is correct to avoid any payment issues. After entering your bank details, save the changes. Next, return to the Payments page to initiate a payout request. Click on the Request Payment button to process your earnings. Keep an eye on your email for confirmation of your payout request. Once approved, the funds will be transferred to your checking account. This transfer can take a few business days to complete. It's advisable to check your bank account regularly for the deposited amount. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Amazon Associates help section for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.